Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Okie dokie. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Get them while they're in stock. Mike's Militaria. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. We just happen to have a sticker from a previous delivery. And let's figure out how we can get this open. The box is rather large, so I may move it onto the floor. Yeah, I'm going to move this. But you can see vegetato pattern. And this appears to be in one bag. So let's see if we can do this in one movement. Okay, there we go. Right off, we see a place for a name tag card. You can see we have nylon handles, vegetato pattern. Not gonna go into too much detail on the bag. Zipper right there. And the straps continue along this way. The bottom does not feel reinforced. Let's go ahead and get it open. Two zippers right here. Slide this back. Yeah. I might move this out of the way too. All right, ready? Let's go. Oh, okay. So this is already put together. Makes it a little bit. No, maybe not. Spoke too soon. So we'll go over these pieces separately. But we gotta look at the inside of the bag. You can see there's a little bit of vegetato there. And actually that hole looks like a drain hole. So the grommet may have popped loose. But yeah, okay. That was actually intended to be there. So what this is an Italian NC4-09 ballistic vest with plates. Soft armor and carrying bag used. Large regular. And then continuing, go to Mike's website. It also says 2009, adopted 2010 vegetato pattern, which was adopted in 2004. This is similar to the United States IOTV, which was, I believe, adopted in 2008, which stands for the Improved Outer Tactical Vest. So feel free to research that type of item. This is described as a carrier with groin, lower back, collar, and deltoid carriers, soft armor ballistic inserts for all above, 2 composite front and back plates, and 2 composite side plates. Carrying bag, again, approximately 30 pounds, made to be worn over uniform. So let's see, we have this portion right here. Looks like we have some sort of MOLLE attached commander's pocket that can be rigged however way you want to. One of those. This appears to be the groin plate. And these appear to be the side plates. Or possibly, well, correction, deltoids. And no, this is your shoulder collar. So where are our sides then? Okay, they're already on there, right there. All right, so you get a good look at the pattern right there. Not sure how it's showing up in the camera. It's more of a lush green. It kind of looks washed out in this light. You see the hook and latch areas quite large. And a look at the inside, you can see the mesh, etc. Looks like we're missing a label set. You probably did that to sterilize it before allowing it to be surplused. Same with this little cummerbund area or waist belt area. But across the what appears to be the front here, we have access point right here. I can feel something here, possibly some sort of cording. So the back continues and then kind of ends right there. Interesting. Grab handle, and this can be applied somewhere on there. But again, this is meant to be worn over the uniform. I assume any other gear will be worn on top of this. But you can see how this is mounted. Again, all the labels have been sterilized off of these pieces, as you can see. Although not too many countries have this camo pattern, although there are copycats. So let's see, we can take a look real quick at one of these. Again, these, even the insides have been sterilized as well. Labels been removed. So we won't bother looking at the rest of them. But taking a quick look at something from Mike's Militaria. There sells a whole bunch of components for the Italian NC4-09 Ballistic vest with plates, soft armor, and carrying bag used. So again, Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check them out. Get the stuff while it's in stock. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and also a series called Curios for the Curious. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.